Hey guys, welcome to Lognips. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Invideo online text to video editor on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to use the text to video editor, the Invideo on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in invideo.io like this and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Invideo like this guys. But if you have not yet created an account guys, you can always create an account on Invideo for free. I've made a video on that, so check that out on my channel guys. And with that being said guys, if you are not on this panel, probably you are on the home page of the Invideo, where you'll be required to log into your Invideo account in order to get to this dashboard. And you can see guys, after landing on this dashboard, there are a lot of options available for us. You can see the editor for pro video creation. You can choose a dimension from over here. Same with the stock medias. You can choose your medias over here. Let's go back. You can use the text to video. You can choose the templates on which you want to work to for a video. You can see all of these templates. And let's go back. And from over here guys, first in order to use the Invideo, our primary goal is the text to video feature of the Invideo app. Before we do that guys, you will be able to see your top done projects over here. At the left side you can see over here your drafts, your exports and your projects, your drafts and your team members over here if you have shared shared your Invideo with anyone. And with that being said guys, let's get back to dashboard. And over here guys, you can now start to make some videos from over here. First choose or whichever do you want to go to. I'll be just showing you how to text to video feature on this in video. Now with that being said, let's click on text to video like this. And over here guys, on the workflow on the left side, you can still choose your templates, your stock medias, your editor. You can see this is the online editor, but you will have to choose a dimension. On the online editor you will not be able to do what I'm going to do from the text to video, but basically you will land over there. So with that being said, text on the text to video, click on one of these templates which you like the best. You can see some of the animation over here guys, and after you click on it, and just this kind of appearance will be in front of you, where you can choose to preview your animation. You can choose your portraits from over here, like landscape, square, portrait, anything you like. I'll be just going to the landscape for the demo. And let's click on the use template. You can choose a lot of the templates. You can choose to directly go to the editor. It's audio with guys, and after doing that you'll be over here where you can see the place to first enter your script in order to make your video scenes over here. To do that guys, I'll be just making a small demo on top 15 amazing places of USA. So let's get that with the ChatGPT done. And you can see guys, the ChatGPT will make you a good script for you, and you can use ChatGPT for more purpose. But guys, since this is just a short video, I'll just give you a tip. The way you use the ChatGPT to develop your script will be on your creation. If you want the ChatGPT to make even complex script, you can just give it the instructions on which basis do you want to make the script from the ChatGPT, and following that prompt, your text will be made on any genre you like. But you just need to use the ChatGPT more creatively. And with that being said guys, let's get back to our Invideo, where we will paste the script guys. This is nothing special guys. You can see these are the sentences from or the text from the ChatGPT. And guys, and you also need to know a thing, that is the Invideo takes a statement of a sentence. If you press enter, or each starting of a sentence over here is taken as seen by the in video. So to make sure to line this properly and don't write in a paragraph over here, just give it the scenes. And after doing that, you can choose your iStock of your premium if you have bought the subscription. I'm not, so I'll be just showing the demo. And you can also add your URL over here if you have not yet pasted this, in order to import your script from any article or any blogs, any article available online to you. And with that being done, guys, after entering your script, just click on these your preferences and click on the create scenes, and your scene will be started to create on the in video. And you can see the guys, the in video is generating thumbnails for your script. And guys, you can see this interface after clicking on the create video over here. Guys, you can see your script available and the linings were perfect, so they are separated in different scenes. You can see your uploads over here, guys. You can upload your files directly by dragging and dropping over here, guys. And the video section is over here, where you can search for videos in video, and you can filter them from over here, like from the which sites do you want the videos from to be, like the Shutterstock, Storyblocks. If you want the free, the premium, the pixels, you can choose them. And that being that, guys, this is the video section. You can just drag and drop the video over here like this, and let's click on replace. You can see you can append find media, or can replace it. You can just replace it like this, and the editor will open and you can add them, but this process will be more easier in the edit scene or the editor. So to do that, I will be going inside, but let's finish with these panels. You can see your images over here, guys. The same thing, you can search it from over here. You can filter them out from the different free sites and the premium sites available on the in video. You can go to the music. You can choose any music available over here. You can choose your genres. You can see over here, in order to make your video perfect, you can choose your effects of your sounds. You can see there are bells, birds, boats, breakings, and many available which you can use on your video. Or you can add your text from over here. You can style your text. You can directly drag and drop the text available on the in video, so that it will be added to your scene over here. But you will be able to edit it later. For the time duration, we'll be diving in a short moment. You can see your logos from over here. You can upload your logos from over here. You can see your extra elements like your shapes, stickers, your overlays. You can see some of the masks available over here. You can see your emojis. You can see the templates over here, guys. And you can choose a different scene to be added on the in video scene like this. You can see, guys, there are a lot of scenes. You can choose any template from over here. If you just drag and drop it, the template will be changed, but we'll not be doing that. Let's just use it on one template. And with that being done, we can see the more button, where you can do the collage, the social, and there are many things and buttons available for us on the in video. You can see there are awesome collages available with the awesome images. You can just use them to on your scenes. Now that being done and all these panels explained, you can see, so they're easy: music, images, videos, uploads. You can also upload your music, guys. You don't need to go to the music section to upload your music. Just go on uploads and upload your any media available over here. And with that being done, guys, let's get back to this page. So guys, this page shows you the video editor with the scene. Can edit all of these. You can see you are on the storyboard. There is the editor, and there is the collaborate available for us over here. If you go on the collaborate, this is a collaboration from your team. This is not the thing what we want to do currently. This is the thing you do after you master the in video. So let's get the editor from the storyboard. So this is the story. There is the editor. So let's go. And by doing that, you are on the editor scene of the InVideo, where at the right side you can see there are some elements displayed. But before that, guys, these are the particular scenes which were on the storyboard. You can see uh, there are about 15 scenes available for us over here, whereas on the editor section the same 15 scenes will be these ones. You can see these blue frames, and these are particular scenes, and you will be able to edit it nicely from over here. Now in order to do that, just let's go back, and you can see the elements used in this scene over here at the right side of the screen, and at the top of the screen you can see the grids, the delete scene, and many more available. You have to just play with these things. You can see these are elements. You can add more elements from over here. That's all you wish, and just play with them. I will be showing you how to do that, but let's dive right in. So in order to edit this scene, you can either double click it like this, and you will find all of these elements available on the scene from the template itself. You can unlock it, guys. You can see the lock button. If the lock button is shown to you, you will not be able to touch or do anything to these overlays. Only if you click on the unlock buttons, you'll be able to delete and do much manipulation to the elements from the template. And with that being said, guys, you can see, let's get back to the editor view. To do that, you can see the layers button available over here where I'm hovering right now, and beside that there is the scene number, guys. You can go to the scenes available over here. If you want to go to the 15th scene from this one, you can just select it from over here and you will be on the 15th scene. And that being said, guys, if you click on the layers, we will back to the storyboard where we will be able to see all of the scenes available. So, and with that being said, you can delete this music. You can upload the music from your side and use that over here, but I'll be just using a demo music. So let's go, and over here, just for a demo purpose, I'll be adding this one. So I'll be clicking this one and it will be added over here, guys. You can see the music has been added, and you can, guys, you can see add a scene from over here. Also, you can choose to add a blank scene, and from a template also according to your choice. And that template or the scene available where your cursor is, it was at the end, so it was available at the end. You can move them, you can edit them. I'll be showing you the edit process shortly. So let's just delete this scene, and I have shown you these scenes uh, a little comprehensive guide. And you can see this is the zoom button, guys. You can zoom in and zoom out of the InVideo. Though the InVideo zoom in and out function is very bad, I request them to upgrade it. And you can see does it's not properly accurate. With that being said, and with the grid being, and the delete and the layering being your thing to play, and you can see there is the audio meter as well to see your audio, either their loudness, the music. And with that being done, guys, you can also record your voiceover from over here. And after completing the outer panel, let's go inside the scene to edit it, and double click on any scene on which you want to edit it. You can add a video over here, guys. You can see there are a lot of iStock video. This is one of them which I'll be using. So if you just drag and drop on it, you will be able to add it to the video editor like this, where you will be able to trim it, guys. You can see you can choose the duration of the video from over here, which part of the video you like this. And if after you click on add, that video will be added on the timeline over here at the bottom where I'm showing right now. And after you play it, that will be available. You can see it's available. But guys, in many cases you'll be required to upscale it a bit. You can see we have upscaled it, and now the video has been added to our editor scene over here. And you can choose to add many videos as you want until the InVideo gives you a certain limit. By just dragging and dropping it, you can add the video, and let's trim it and click on add. You can play over here to see how the video has become, and you can also shuffle them if you want the scene to be a little later than you thought before. You can just shuffle them in like any editor over here like this. and you will be able to make it any moment, any time frame you like, from like 1 minute to like 5 minutes in a scene. And after that, after you have done editing a scene, you can just go to another one and finish editing this one with all of your text available. You can see now you will be able to add your text over here, and the time duration, as I said, this is the text. Let's add it on the screen. And it has been added, guys, and you can see at the top of the screen I'm moving this tile of that text. And if you want to edit it, you can just make it larger or smaller and like your wish. You can also, as you can see, you can still delete it, you can move it back, you can duplicate it, you can delete it, and there are some of the shortcuts for that. You can split a clip over here. Simply choose the clip which you want to split, and the shortcut key for that is the C. And after you press on the C, that clip which you selected will be splitted. You can see the clip has been uh, split into two. And you can, guys, you can just edit your videos on the InVideo like this. You can see, you can, how can you add your name, these templates, the overlays are over there. You can delete these elements available over here. If you double click on the text section, this box will appear where it says the edit text, and you'll be able to edit all of your text with your fonts also, the font size, the bold, are they bold or not, the italics, their underline, their text colors, their positions, the spacings, and the alignment with some animation and some text effects. You can try all of these, guys. These are for an advanced user. After mastering all of these basic section, you can see there are a lot of awesome options available for us, from the text blending to text shadows. You can do great effects to your text, but play them on and you will figure out and you will know what to hit when you like it. And with that being done and said, guys, you can go to the back of the scene, and after programming all of your scenes, you can also enter your voiceovers here. You can expand your music, it will be looped to a certain moment. And guys, you can add, I have shown to add a scene according to the cursor. And you can split the music also, like again the shortcut key is C. If you select a portion of the music or the music and place the cursor and hit the C key on your keyboard, that portion of video or audio will be splitted. You can see, you can also add a voiceover from over here. That being said, guys, this is a comprehensive guide on how to use the InVideo s- scripted video editor, scripted video. With that being said, guys, this is how you use the InVideo scripted video maker AI online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.